Okay, we are in our final stages of our web page. You've hopefully gone through and added all of the different media that you wanted to add to your presentation, to your web page, and we're now kind of ready to finish it up. The first thing I want to show you is in the upper right hand corner, you have a button called Themes. If you click on Themes, you're going to see that it's going to list a number of different themes that you can put into your web page. So as I click on a different theme, like I go to vintage, you're going to see that it's going to change the way my image looks, and it's also going to change the way my text is. Here's Whimsy. Okay, here's Teresa. So you have a blue hue in there. And so you can choose what theme you want. You can't really change a whole lot inside of them, but you can change a bit of the feel according to how you want it to look. So we'll leave it like this for me. I just want to run across the top here. This SP button in the corner, that will always get you back to your home page, your landing page, where all your projects are listed if you need to. You have a settings button here, and all that there are for settings is to turn your header and footer on or off. It by default is on, and what that means is that if you have any kind of brand attached to your video or to your account, it will add your brand at the beginning and at the end. If you don't like that, you can just turn it off. Okay? Preview we talked about briefly before. What preview will do is if I go to this part of my presentation and hit preview, it will show me right from that area where I was what it looks like, and I can scroll through to see the rest as I go. In the upper right hand corner, I have an X that will let me close the preview option, not the whole window, but just close the preview, and I'm back. I have a present option. To present it will make it full screen so I don't see any of my toolbars, and now as I scroll through, I'll be able to see all of my items and how they will all look as I go along. When I am done, I will press the escape key. That is the key in the top left hand corner of your keyboard, or if I hover up towards the upper right, I have one where I can get out of full screen or I can close my present option. And the last button that I have is my share button. If you're doing this as a project for a grade or something like that, or do you want to share it with anybody else, if I click on the share button, I have two options. I can either print it and it will take your whole presentation and turn it into a PDF that you could then print out from the copier, or you can click to publish and share the link. And when I click on that, it's going to give me a chance to name it, pick a category that belongs in if you want to. I'll choose education. It gives me the author's name. I can turn that on or off. If I don't want it, I just leave it off. And then it has some credits there. And then this is where all of the images that I used, this is where they're giving copyright rights to them, giving them props for using their pictures. And then I'll do create link. It takes just a little bit for it to put it together, and now I have a link here that I can copy and I can email, I can turn in through Canvas or however your teacher would like you to turn in your project. That is it for Adobe Spark page. Good luck using it, and we'll see you next time.